ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, తర్వాత సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా చేయండి. పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ లో పెట్టుకోండి. నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది మీ యొక్క మొబైల్ కి.
First company HDFC Bank coming up with 400 openings under junior officer category, which is looking for graduates and as well as PG. Minimum graduation is required, which is offering 13,000 to 20,000 salary based on the category they are recruiting, as they have openings under phone banking, CDLC, customer durable loans department, swiping machines, credit cards. They have the different type of divisions. So both male and female are eligible and age wise 18 to 30 years. Next company JSR Group Sun City, which is coming up with 500 openings under sales executives. With any qualification they can attend. They are offering incentives of 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. Both male and female are eligible for this, and the age criteria can be 18 above. Then next company Glitch, which is recruiting for the Premier Solar. 300 plus openings are coming up. Technicians and assistants are required. Whoever is interested to work in solar manufacturing, solar panel manufacturing, it's the best opportunity for them. So ITI diploma students are more eligible for the technician roles. SSC Inter are eligible for the assistants role. They are offering salary in between 10,000 to 15,000 based on the role. Only males are eligible for this company, and as well as 18 to 24 age sector is eligible. Next IT company Ojas Innovative Technologies, coming up with 600 plus openings in the software developers. They required technical background, BTech, any graduation with a technical knowledge from 2010 to 2019 passed out. So MCA MTech 2020-21 is also eligible for attending this interview. They are offering a 24,000 package. Males and female both are eligible in the age between 18 to 33 years. Next, TechWeb Labs is coming up with 20 openings. Software developer, sales, telecalling. Any graduate is eligible for them, and 10,000 to 20,000 salary they are offering. Male and female both are eligible with 18 to 30 years age. Next company Campus Marg is recruiting for Wipro with 400 openings. Mapping and accounts designation is provided. Qualifications are inter and above. Any inter graduation, any qualification is fine for them. Salary per month is 10,000 to 19,000. Gender wise male and female both are eligible. Age is in between 21 to 30 years. Same Campus Marg is recruiting for another company AGS Health, which is having openings of 400 plus. They are recruiting US IT recruiters, training process associates. Inter and above, any qualification is fine for them. 10,000 to 19,000 is the salary offered. Female and male both are eligible. 21 to 30 years age. Next company Navata Transport, coming up with 70 plus openings in the clerks, officers, senior officers, assistant managers, hardware technicians. They have multiple openings. Eligibility is from intermediate, degree, PG, MBA, any kind of qualification is fine for them. Based on the job role, they are offering the salaries in between 10,345 to 20,000. Only males are eligible for this company. Age in between 18 to 29 years. Next company Sun Power Sales and Distribution, which is having the openings of 500. They are looking for telesales associates. Qualification can be anything from 10th onwards. SSC, Inter, degree, any kind of qualification is fine for them. They are offering the salary of 10,000 to 15,000. Only females are eligible for this. Age in between 16 to 30 years. Next company Reliance General Insurance, having openings of 200 customer care executives. For this, any graduate is eligible. Salary is around 15,000 per month. Gender wise both are eligible, and as well as age is in between 21 to 30 years. Next company Teleperformance. Teleperformance is recruiting for both KPHB Colony and Pocharam. KPHB is having 350 openings for the customer support associates. Intermediate and above, anyone is eligible. 16,000 to 20,000 plus allowances they are offering. Male and female both are eligible. In age in between 18 to 29 years. Teleperformance for Pocharam, outbound sales, marketing, voice process. Both roles are available. Any graduate, minimum graduate qualification is required. They are offering the salary of 13,000 to 24,000. Males and females both are eligible. Age in between 20 to 30 years. SmartBricks Infra Technologies is offering sales marketing executives. They have 10 openings. Eligibility is any degree, PG, BE, BTech are not eligible for this. General graduation candidates can appear for this. They are offering a salary of 18,000 plus incentives. Only male candidates are eligible for this. Age in between 18 to 30 years. Next company, Bluebeak, having openings of 100 plus. Designation wise, salesperson, marketing research analyst, US IT recruiters. They are looking for experienced in sales guys and as well as BTech MBA qualified. They are offering a salary of 15,000 to 25,000 and incentives. Male and female both are eligible. Age in between 18 to 28 years. Next, QConnect is having openings of 350 and a customer care executive. They are looking for inter and above any qualification is fine for them. They are offering a salary of 10,000 to 16,000 for the freshers and as well as 16,000 to 29,000 for the experienced people. Both male and female are eligible. 18 to 30 years age is required. Next company, Vishwam EduTech Solutions, is recruiting for Axis and as well as Indus Bank, having openings of 150 under business development executives and as well as office sales executives. Minimum qualification they required is graduation. Salary per month is 15,000 to 31,000. Both the genders are eligible. Age in between 21 to 30 years. Next, Apollo Pharmacy is looking for 250 positions under pharmacist, assistants and as well as trainee positions. For pharmacist, they require D Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy kind of students, and as well as for assistants and trainees, they can recruit even SSC Inter. They are offering the salary based on the designation 12,000 to 20,000 and as well as incentives, and gender wise both are eligible. Age in between 18 to 28 years. Vijay Diagnostic Center is looking for 150 positions as technicians and as well as billing executives. Qualification required is graduate and as well as postgraduates. Salary per month is 15,000 to 20,000. Gender wise both are eligible and age wise it is 21 to 30 years. Emina Pharma is looking for 100 positions of junior chemist position. Eligibility is BSc, any MSc, and salary wise they are offering 12,000 to 15,000. Gender wise both are eligible. Age is in between 21 to 30 years. Medico Healthcare is having openings of 100 trainee associates. B Pharmacy, D Pharmacy and as well as any graduate and PG is eligible for them. 18,000 salaries offered for both the genders, male and female, and as well as age in between 18 to 28 years. Next company, Rainbow Hospitals, is having openings of 50 under the designation of nutrition. Qualification graduate should be in nutrition specialization. Salary per month is 15,000. Gender wise both are eligible, male and female. Age in between 18 to 30 years. Next company, Elco Healthcare Services, 150 openings under software engineer trainee position. Any graduate is eligible for them. 15,000 is the salary offered for them. Gender wise both are eligible. Age in between 18 to 28 years. Axis Bank is having 150 openings under the designations of relationship officer and as well as phone banking officer. Minimum qualification they required is any graduation. 15,000 to 25,000 is the salary offered. Male and female both are eligible. 21 to 30 years age criteria. Kotak Mahindra is having openings of 150 under customer support executive position. Any graduate from 2021 is eligible. They are offering a salary of 12,000 to 15,000. Male and female both are eligible in the age criteria of 18 to 28 years. Tech Mahindra is having openings of 200 under customer support executive position. Qualification required for them is inter, diploma, graduation, any qualification is fine for them. Salary per month offered is 10,000 to 15,000. Male and female both are eligible in the age criteria of 18 to 28 years. Next company, Vegarious Solutions, is having 300 plus openings under customer support executive voice and as well as semi voice, and store managers, USIT recruiters. Qualification inter and above. Salary per month is as per the market standards. Gender wise, both are eligible. Age is in between 18 to 33 years. Digiprex is having 250 openings under customer care executive. Any graduate is fine for them. 15,000 to 17,000, male and female both are eligible, and as well as 21 to 30 years is the age criteria. Next, Israelite Shopping Network is having openings of 250 under customer support executive position. Minimum qualification required is 10th. Upon that, intergraduate anybody is eligible. Good salary and as well as incentives are offered for them. Male and female both are eligible for this position, and as well as age criteria is in between 18 to 28 years. StarTech is having 230 positions under semi-vice process. Minimum qualification they required is any graduation. Offered salaries in between 15,000 to 18,000. Both male and female are eligible. Age criteria is 21 to 30 years. Next company, 3G HR Services, having 200 openings under HR IT recruiter, US international calling process. Any graduate is eligible for this, with a salary range of 12,000 to 20,000. Male and female both are eligible. Age criteria is 21 to 30 years. Next company, Publisher House, is having 100 openings under trainee research associate position. Qualification is any graduate, BTech, anybody is eligible. Salary per month is 10,000 to 12,000. Gender wise both are eligible in the age criteria of 21 to 30 years. Next, Byju's company is recruiting 100 members with an internship of 3 months. Any graduate is eligible with a salary package of 18,000. Both male and female are eligible. Age criteria should be in between 21 to 30 years. SGV Global Fintech is recruiting 320 positions under sales executive process. Any graduate is eligible for this. Offered salary is 12,000 plus incentives. Both the genders are eligible. Age criteria is in between 18 to 28 years. Next company is RoboSilicon, having 20 openings under field sales, trainee dispatch executives, and as well as data entry operators. They require qualification of MBA, BBA or any degree. Salary per month is as per the market standards. Gender wise, male, female both are eligible. Age is in between 18 to 28 years. Next company, Capstone, having 660 openings. Sales promoters, delivery executives, telecallers, data entry executives, they have multiple openings. Qualification based on the designation, SSC, inter, graduate, PG, everybody is eligible for them. Salary wise, they are offering the package of 10,000 to 25,000 based on the designation. Gender wise, both are eligible for this company. Age should be in between 18 to 29 years. Next company, Fusion Healthcare, having 100 openings under customer support executives and as well as data entry operators. Any graduation is eligible with a salary of 10,000 to 15,000. Gender wise, both are eligible with an age criteria of 21 to 30 years. Next company, Carvi, having 450 openings under data entry operators. Any graduate is fine for them. Minimum salary is 10,000 rupees. Gender wise, both are eligible with the age criteria of 18 to 28 years. Next company, Linkwell, having 200 openings under data entry operators position. Any graduate is fine for them. Salary wise, per month 12,000 to 14,000 is offered. Gender wise, both are eligible with the age criteria of 18 to 28 years. Green Code IT Solutions, having 150 positions under analyst Google process. Any graduate is eligible for this company. They are offering a salary of 15,000 to 20,000. Both the genders, male and female, are eligible in the age criteria of 21 to 28 years.